Hi, today we're going to learn more about how you can export loyalty data from AiTrillion. The process to export the loyalty data is fairly simple. All you have to do is first log into AiTrillion, and in the left-hand side navigation bar, click on Loyalty Rewards. Under Loyalty Rewards, click on All Members. And then when the All Members page loads up completely and you can see a preview of all your member entries, expanding the preview to, let's say, 100, and you have verified that all your data is there, all you have to do is click on this Export Members button on the top right-hand corner. Once you click on the Export Members button, it's going to say success. Your export result will be delivered by email, and it will be delivered by email to the email address that you have used to sign up for the store and for AiTrillion. This is what the report will actually look like. So it'll have the names, email, dates, available points, lifetime points, redeem points, and expire points. That is how you export loyalty data from inside AiTrillion. Thank you and have a great day.